What's up guys, it's me Ramay. So now I'm going to the Korean War Museum. The weather is quite cold but better than yesterday. The weather is a little bit sunny. So I'm going to take the metro train from the Mongdong station to Samkaji station. And then I don't know how to reach the Korean War Museum, to be honest with you. I really don't know how to reach the Korean War Museum, but I know once I reach the Samkaji station I can show someone the address and then find out. I hope so it will be easy to find out the Korean War Museum because it's a quite big one. So I will meet you there guys. So currently I found a station which I'm going to take, which is the Mokdong station. To be honest with you, I really like the street which is near the Mokdong Sagar. It remind me the city of Pakistan. I mean the big city in Pakistan have the exact same style of road and building. To be honest with you, I'm really liking this place, as I can show you. So now let's continue walking. I mean I normally always I go to Daejeon where I live mostly, but Seoul I did not explore. The old Seoul is like a very modern city with some old architecture blending. I'm really liking it, to be honest with you. I'm really liking the city a lot. So yeah, I'm keep finding the station which I'm going to take to the Korean War Museum, which is located in Samkaji. So now finally I have taken the train from the Mongdong Sagari. Now I'm going to the Samkaji station. So now I have to change the train from the Mongdong. It is really hard to find because the Seoul metro system is very confusing compared to the Hong Kong, which is really very easy to understand. So now I'm just finally I have reached the Korean War Museum. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. So let me continue the walk. The place is quite nice, let me be honest with you. The place is really very nice. I like this one. I really like this one. This one really look awesome, isn't it? So let's see where we have to go. I wanna go inside the museum, the inside, and then wanna see what's there. There's a military plane out there. This one also seems quite nice, isn't it? So I don't know what. I think this is a Korean War Museum. Okay, this one is a Korean War Museum which will be going inside. So first let me see the Korean War Museum. So this is the second floor. We have to go to the third floor. Let me show you. So we are at the second floor right now. First I will be touring around the second floor, then the third floor, and then to the first floor. It's a quite nice place. Let me show you. It's a quite nice place. So now let's continue our tour. So as you can see, so this is the water fountain. It's quite dark here, but it's really very nice. Another about the Koryo Army Organization Mobilization Force is a quite nice area. So now let me go to the museum. I'm having quite good fun here. I'm really enjoying the museum. And then let me see what's this. Okay, this is some kind of, I don't know what. Even there's like Pakistan map on. Let's see what's this. To be honest, I really have no idea. And the display monitor off. There's a Korea to I don't know what, East Timor. Okay, Somalia. Anyway, let's move on. This is the Somalia. Okay, This is the India and Pakistan, I think, United Nation contribution. Okay, I'm at the last section finally. So to be honest with you, I have a quite good time. This is the Vietnamese tanks, and then let me show you the area around here. It's a quite good museum, but it's a little bit lonely out here. So yeah, I mean, I really have some good time out here, to be honest with you. Now I'm going to have some lunch most properly. Again, it was me, Ramay. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. I found something good here, some weapons as you can see. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Bye.